All right, so let's look at our first example where it says determine whether each relation is a function. Give the domain and range for each relation. So we have here, here's our relation to 0, 3, 1, 6, 2. We have 6, -2. Our domain would be our x coordinates, our x values. So we have here 2, 3, and 6. Our range, that would be our y value. We have 0, 1, 2, and -2. You don't have to write it in numerical order. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. All right, so to determine if this is a function or not, let's map. I think that may be the easier way, or you can plot the points. So, but we haven't talked about the plotting the points and what test you would use, but you could plot the points once we cover that test. Um, 2 pairs with 0. So so far this is a function. 3 pairs with 1 is a function. 6 pairs with 2 at this point, it is a function still, because a function says your x value can only be paired with exactly 1. And our x value here is paired with exactly 1 at this point. But we look at that last set, 6 being paired with -2, 6 is being paired with 2 and -2. So since 6 is being paired with both 2 y values, we would say this is not a function. Let's do another one. We have here's our relation, -2 comma -6, 0 comma -5, 1 comma -9/2, and 4 comma -3, and 5 comma -5/2. Our domain, let's list all of the x values and then all of the y's. We have our domain, -2, 0, 1, 4, and 5. And then our range, we have -6, -5, -9/2, -3, and -5/2. And then we're going to map. -2 pairs with -6, 0 pairs with -5, 1 pairs with -9/2, 4 pairs with -3, and then 5 pairs with -5/2. So your x value is being paired with exactly 1 value. Therefore, this is a function. Let's do one more example on this here. We have Omaha. Here's our relation. Omaha, comma, Nebraska. We have Springfield, comma, Illinois. We have Springfield, comma, Missouri. In one more ordered pair, we have Houston, comma, Texas. All right, so let's write the domain. Our domain is Omaha, Springfield, and Houston. Our range is Nebraska, Illinois, Missouri, and Texas. Now let's map. Omaha pairs with Nebraska. At this point, we want to determine if this is a function or not. So at this moment right now, it's a function. But Springfield pairs with Illinois and Missouri. Is this a function at this point? Springfield corresponds to two elements in the range. Therefore, this relation is not a function. I mean, if you want to pair Houston to Texas, that's fine, but because Springfield is being paired with two Y values, this will be not a function. There we go.